Hello guys, welcome back again to our Facebook page according to where you are watching from. So today I'm going to show you guys how am I going to make this beautiful and handsome fool. We call it fool, okay? This is it. I'm going to make it, and I believe most of the people will try this fool. It's in several many places, okay? Many countries they have it, and please do check it out. You will really love it, okay? So this is called full modamas. So this is the most of the food we eat so much in South Sudan. Now I have full, two full, and then I have two sardine, okay? I have two sardine, and then I have one onion, and then one tomato. So according to how you want to make it, you just need to prepare it. So now I'm going to cut my onion and start my cooking. All right. Before doing anything, let's get started. So now you cut your onion according to how you want to make it. Make sure you cut your onion. So now our onion and this thing is ready. So you just need to heat the pot and then let's get started. So guys, at this moment my pot is getting ready, and I have here oil with me. This oil is granite oil, but you can choose any kind of oil of your choice. So pour it in, just you allow it to get ready. Ready, you just need to just add the onion on it. You just need to add the onion. This time now it's time for you to just put your tomato. You stir it and stir it and stir it. Within 1 minute, the thing should be done by now. Within 1 minute, you will see the color and it should be done. So guys, at this moment, our onion is getting ready. So it's time for us to just open this full and put it inside it. So this is how it looks. Just what I need to do is just to pour it inside. Just what you need to do is open it and pour it in. So now this is two food we have, all right? I have already put salt. I just put salt, and if you have other ingredients which you love to add, you can add it at this moment. So at this time, I'm going to just cover it and leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we are going to come back before we can put the sardine. So guys, at this moment it's time for me to just add my, if the oil is so much, just reduce the oil of that, like the way I did now. And you just need to add this. So at this moment you just need to turn back the light. See? Then you just leave it for some minutes. Yeah, the water is almost done. The water is dried. So you just need to let this thing get hot, and then you're done. So guys, at this moment our food is at the end of getting ready, and at this moment the water is already dried, and is the way I like it. You check the salt and check other things, how is it. If it's good for you, then you just need to off it and your food is ready. You see the atmosphere of it now. So I just need to start serving it. To remove it and check what you want. This food, you can eat it with bread, you can eat it with rice, you can eat it with any kind of food of your choice. Oh yes. So it's so nice, delicious, healthy. And please, I believe that you're going to try it out, because it's very nice and good to try things out, okay? This food, my husband love it, I love it too. So this is the South Sudan dish, and thank you so much for watching till this place. Please like, share, and be among the family in our YouTube, whether you're watching from YouTube or you're watching on Facebook page. Follow our Facebook page. Do us a favor by sharing and like the video. And that is it, guys. How do you think about this? Are you going to try it? Are you going to make it for your loved one? Oh yes. So that is it for today. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching till this moment. I'm going to eat. I'm going to enjoy myself. That's it for today. God bless you. Bye for now. Have a signed out.